I've seen it all, the rise and fall. Now the fishing stocks are gone. It's a different way of life, but we'll go on. We face the icy winds and cold out on the northern sea, where the cod stocks made 11 ones for me. And I remember years ago when men they made their daily catch. We caught downs from the heads of fish we'd snatch. For a buck a pound we'd all go down close by the water's edge, and we'd wait for skulls to fall down from the ledge. But if I stare out long enough over the mist up on the bay, I can still see men in the morning sail away. I believe I see a vision in my dream from on this log, rise from the seas like ghosts out in the fog. But time moves on, our lives they change. Some friends we'll see no more, as we boarded up the windows and the doors. And we stare once more at an empty shore where Capeland used to race, and we leave for good, the tears roll down our face. But if I stare out long enough over the mist up on the bay, I can still see men in the morning sail away. And I believe I see a vision in my dream from on this log, rise from the seas like ghosts out in the fog. But the years they drift behind us, and the dreams we had are gone, and we realize it's time now to move on. Like an ember from the chimney of a wood stove, time it flies, and it fades away like stars up in the sky. And if I stare out long enough over the mist up on the bay, I can still see men in the morning sail away. And I believe I see a vision in my dream from on this log, rise from the seas like ghosts out in the fog. But if I stare out long enough over the mist upon the bay, I can still see men in the morning sail away. And I believe I see a vision in my dream from on this log, rise from the seas like ghosts out in the fog. They rise from the seas like ghosts out in the Welcome to Newfoundland and Labrador. Relax and we'll show you around. When you stepped on the sand of this beautiful land, you were standing on our piece of ground. The people you find here are gentle and kind, and they'll welcome you inside their door. It eases your mind, leaves your troubles behind, here in Newfoundland and Labrador. Have you heard of the whales, how they dance on the swales, and then come right straight out of the sea, and lay peacefully there on their blanket of air, and then tumble back into the sea. The icebergs, they rise from the sea to the skies, and they stand there alone in the waves, and their beauty unfolds from her ice-frozen rose.